Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to share page in Notion. As you can see, this page is private and in order to change it you will have to go right here to share, click on it, and then you can invite people just by typing their email right here, or you can go right here and change the general access to everyone at this workspace or anyone on the web with the link, and just copy the link and send it to anyone. You can also change if they can only view, if they can comment, or if they can also edit. So choose to only people invited, for example, and then invite people just by typing their email right here in this bar. And once you do that, just select the role for them. So you can offer them a full access, or can edit, or can comment, or can view. Then press invite to invite them. Now, as you can see, they have been invited, and you can also publish your page to the web right here. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.